In this video, I will show you how to create a shipping profile on Shopify. This is actually very easy and done within a few minutes. So first you need to go to your store settings and then go to shipping and delivery. Right there, and here you see custom shipping rates. So add custom rates or destination restrictions for groups of products. Then tap on create new profile. Alright, and here you can give your shipping profile a name. For example, for your products, very important to note is that customers will not see this name. So you can give a name, for example, custom products. Alright, and then of course you need to add products to this specific shipping profile. So then just tap on add products, and here you can add products to this specific shipping profile. Right, you can select everything and then tap on done. As you can see, we've added it, and then tap on create a zone. So you need of course a shipping zone for this specific shipping profile. You can give this zone a name, for example international, and then you gotta select international of course. Then tap on done, and as you can see here you can see all of this, all of the settings. Then you can add a rate for this specific shipping profile. So you can set a fixed price, or you can use the carrier or app to calculate the rates. Right, then tap on done, and then yeah, that is basically it. It's very easy, very straightforward. Like I said, very important to save it, of course. Otherwise, yeah, you did it for nothing. You can do it again. So that is it. Now the profile custom products created. That is it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.